Here's TopLive app. Here you can see TopLive live video chat app. So this you can see it's a modern social app for discovering and connecting with new friends around the world. Communicates through secure video conversations, real-time translations, and rich chats, all in a safe and respectful environment. TopLive community is built on authentic profiles, smart recommendations, and safety tools that work by default. Discovery and real-time translations, community feed, rich chat, personalized recommendations, video conversations, and subtle beauty effects. Getting started with TopLive. Community rules. 18 plus only, real profile, photos required for authenticity. You must agree to our terms and service. Privacy and safety approach. All new profiles are reviewed to reduce fake automated accounts, real-time AI and 24/7 human moderation. Keep everyone positive and secure. So you can see feedback in here. Communicate with friends, see who's online right now, and that's just kind of the idea you have in here. So then can just open it up, and here's how it looks like. There are some deals where you can buy coins cheaper, and then so then you can just start the random chat in here. You can add some filters for yourself. You can see live group chats in here. You can see lounge. You can see start matching, and then you can see coins in top right, where there are a lot of them available, which you can just buy them. Then you can see your profile, and then there are settings, beauty effect. By the way, you can also invite friends here. Feel free to use my code. So enjoy live video chats and meet new people. So you can just use the code just like that. And so that's that. You can also add stories, video chat, shop, buy coins, and chats. There aren't like that many AI replies yet. I was thinking that this is an app full of AI. I'm not sure, but seems, there are not that many AI bots yet. Because usually on these fake apps, the moment you create an account, you start to receive 10 messages from fake AI bots, and then they ask you to upgrade. So here it's not the case. It's a good sign. But yeah, here you see messages. Kind of more high quality app if you're looking for random video chat app for you. So you can consider this TopLive app. There are 4.6 ratings, 17,000 ratings. Still trash. They won't refund your coins, your money if you answer or make a call. If the call gets dropped right away, and still take the coins. So some people still say it's frauded, doesn't connect. There are a lot of automated phone calls. So potentially fake app. So yeah, that's just, you need to know that. Even if it advertised heavily and so on, yeah, that's kind of the idea.